Hi everyone, welcome to today's Excel tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through how to create a funnel chart in Excel. Funnel charts are perfect for visualizing data in stages, especially when it comes to sales, marketing or lead generation funnels. Let's dive right into it. Before we start, let's quickly go over what a funnel chart is. A funnel chart is used to represent data in different stages, where the size of each stage reduces as we move from the top to bottom, just like a funnel. You can use it to track progress at different stages of a process like sales, conversions, website traffic flows and so on. For this example, let's use some simple sales data showing the number of leads at different stages of a sales pipeline. Let's create the funnel chart. Select the data, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Charts group, click on the Insert Waterfall, Funnel, Stock, Surface or Rider Chart dropdown. Select the funnel from the list of options. That's it. Excel will automatically generate a funnel chart based on the data. Now that the funnel chart is created, let's customize it. Chart title. Click on the chart title and rename it to something like Sales Funnel. Data labels. Right-click on the chart and select Add data labels to show the number of leads at each stage. Change colors. You can change the color of the funnel stages by clicking on each bar. Now that we have built our funnel chart, let's take a look at what it tells us. We started with 1000 website visitors. Out of those, 600 leads were generated, 300 were qualified, and ultimately only 75 were closed. This funnel chart helps us quickly see where the most significant drop-offs occur in the sales process, allowing us to focus on areas that may need improvement. Now let's create the 3D funnel chart. Select the data, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Charts group, click on the Insert Column or Bar Chart. Select the 3D Stacked Column Chart. Go to Chart Design tab and click on Switch Row Column button. Right-click and select the Format Data Series. Here in the column shape, select the Full Pyramid option. You can also adjust the gap width and the gap depth. Right-click on Axis and select Format Axis and tick the Values in Reverse Order checkbox. Now remove the unwanted fields like grid lines, axis and all, and this would be the output. You can customize it to make it more visually appealing. You can further beautify this by adding some space between each of the stage by adding dummy entry between each of the stages like this, so that we can show some gap between the stages for better visibility. For an even more enhanced look, you can add shadows or bevel effects. That's how you create funnel charts in Excel. If you have enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Excel tips and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.